Well, this is weird. We're at 3600 Woodview Terrace, I think, on the northwest side of Indy. And look at this. These are being renovated, it looks like. Wow, this is weird. Anti-scenic. Darn it. Looks like this building is being renovated right now. Look at all this plastic wrap. They're really gutting these things. Certificate. It is expired though. That's a fail. We just have some Otis elevators, it looks like. Door track. Oh, this is lovely. This is as close as you're gonna get to a view right now. Wow. Oh, that is taped up really good. There's a decently better look at the buttons, I guess. I don't know what these were originally, but I might come back here to retake these once this is gone. Yeah, this is just... Well, here we are at one. We'll send it up. Well, that's it.